I wanted to specifically come by your booth and talk to you about axle repair. Why is that often something that's overlooked by technicians?
Probably the biggest reason a lot of the technicians coming on don't realize the majority of the time measuring the bearing journal.
Okay.
And trying to find out and educate people about that is one of our biggest goals. The majority of the damage is usually always on the bottom of the spindle, just because of the weight of the truck is riding on those bearings. So therefore it puts the wear on the bottom. But it's a big issue, and we're trying to get that message out there and trying to get it, more so in the technician field where they understand what's going on with it.
Okay, well, we want to make sure that people are educated and have the right tools in the toolbox. So you got a tool in your hand there. What is it? How is it used? Why should technicians have this in their toolbox? So
this is what we call our go, no gauge. Tells us what spindle, inner or outer bearings. It's go, no go. One size of it is the same size of the bearing journal. The opposite side is 6 thousandths smaller. So anything less 6 thousandths of factory is deemed bad as far as on a bearing journal. And that's what helps technicians, discover whether it's good or bad or not.